Hello everyone, welcome to Rosh on Rocks. Let's draw a mighty banyan tree. I begin by drawing the roots, spreading them wide and strong. These roots are the tree's superpower, holding it firmly to the earth. Now I'm drawing the trunk, big, fat, and strong. From the top of the trunk, I draw big branches, spreading out in every direction, reaching far and wide. Now, let's make it leafy. Around the branches, I draw clusters of leaves, making sure they overlap and cover a huge area. The banyan tree's canopy is like a giant green umbrella. Long dangling aerial roots coming down from the branches are like the tree's swinging vines. I use shades of green to fill in the leaves, blending lighter and darker greens for a natural look. I color the trunk and branches with shades of brown, adding darker tones for texture. The majestic banyan tree drawing is now complete and ready to be liked. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you.